Okay, continuing with Module 2, this is Video 3, and this is what is included in this video is uploading or importing the vendor list. Vendors are the suppliers that the business, when they have to purchase supplies, office supplies, inventory. Vendors also include services such as paying the utility bills. So vendors include any person that the company needs to pay or to purchase a service or product from. So we're going to go back to our sales tab over here, and we're going to, not sales tab. We're going to go to, let's see, expenses. And then under expenses, you want to select vendors. All right, now this gives you the shortcut to import vendors. Takes us to the same screen that we would have gone to. I'm going to close this. If we had gone up here and clicked on the gear icon and gone to import data, and then we would have to select vendors, and then gives us the option. Okay, so I'm going to find my file. So I want to import the vendor list. I'm going to open that. So I've got the file listed here. I'm going to click next. And then now I want to map this, and this is going to be on page 17. So you want to map the fields. If there's a check mark, we want it included in our vendor, each of our vendor records. So we've got the name, the company. You see the check marks, the email, and it also says to use phone, but again, there isn't a phone number included in that CSV file. So we're just going to have to select no match there. Mobile, the mobile number, fax, no match, website, no match, street, city, state, zip code, all of those are included. The country, let's see if we have I don't think we have the option there. No. So we just have to leave that as no match. The opening balance, there is no match. Opening balance data, no match. And the tax ID number, no match. So again, this screenshot is included on page 17. And the phone, they show that as a match, but there is no phone number included in the data that we're importing, so we can't match that. All right, so once you've verified that you've got the check marks, go ahead and click next. These are all the vendors. You can see there are several more vendors included than we have clients. So we're going to go ahead and import that. So click import. Now you could have opened that CSV file and compared it. I didn't take the time to do that. All right, so we've uploaded the vendors. I'm going to go back to the expenses, and I'm going to click on vendors. And you can see that the vendors are all listed here. So here's our vendor list. The note on page 18 says that you can always add vendors as you enter bills and expenses. So if there's anything that was left off, you can go in and actually add a vendor. You see this option here for new vendor. And so it gives you, this also gives you that link. There's several ways of getting to it to import vendors. But if you needed to manually added, you would click on New Vendor, and then you would just keep in all of the information. You can do the same thing for customers as well. All right, so that's page 18. With page 19, we're shifting now towards the chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is a little more lengthy. I'm going to include that on a separate video. So the fourth video will include importing chart of accounts. And again, the chart of accounts will be more, there'll need to be a little more editing once you've uploaded that or imported the chart of accounts. All right, so we'll end this video and we'll begin a new video for importing chart of accounts.